Good afternoon. One thing you notice, the Sack was speaking without notes. He didn't have to have a list of people. He memorized it all because he's in touch with every single one, probably 1,000 times. That's passion, that's dedication, that's hard work. And it is inspirational to hear it, feel it, and yes, you're absolutely right. It is the elders, it's the uncles and the aunties that gives that, not just spiritual, but the guidance. Even if you're texting, even last minute. And that is just precious. It is phenomenal that one concept is unity. United we stand, that we are stronger together. And you can see it, you can feel it. And it's not just one level of God. We came together right here, we can move mountains.